Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to be a host in Google Meet on iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do, you just need to make sure that you already install a Google Meet first. So how to check it, you just need to go slide your screen into the left side until you are arrived in the app library, and then in app library you just need to type a Google Meet. If you wonder what the icon of Google Meet application, this is the icon of Google Meet applications. The camera with the green color, I think. Okay, so after you find it, you just need to click it and to open it. And now, okay, since you want to be a host into a meeting, you just need to go click a new meeting. But if you are invited into a meeting, you just need to go click join with a code. Means that you are joining into someone else's meet or a meet that hosted by someone else. Okay, since we want to be a host, click the new meeting, and there will be a lot of options that you can choose here. You can like get a link into to share, so means that you will get a link and you can share into your friends, your team, and your co-workers. And then there will be also start an instant meeting, means that you will be directly have a room to start a meeting too. And then you can also make a schedule in a calendar, means that you want to like create or plan a meet in the several days forward. Okay, since you want to like host a meet, just go click start an instant meeting. Okay, wait a minute. Go click a start instant meeting. And now you already have a room that you can like start the meetings to with your friends, your team, or your coworkers. And now you can also click this share invite, means that you will go share this link into your friends directly, or you can also copy the link and then you can share this link into another application such as WhatsApp or any other application. So that's all for today's tutorials, guys. If you find out today's tutorial is really get you so well, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.